it take to be an electrician? You say, well, you just say, you get a little bit of training.
Probably just fine. Evan, read the copy, please. The copy's good. Just read it.
4 to 5 years of training to become an electrician. You're the best in the world. That's why it's really.
What in the hell are you talking about?
Wait, what?
I really mean it.
Boy, if that isn't the pot calling the kettle black.
And how transformative the process.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.